Get ready to blow your mind with these 5 incredible science experiments you can do right at home. Whether you're a seasoned science enthusiast or just love a good experiment, these simple yet fascinating activities will amaze you. Let's dive in. First up, the magic milk experiment. Grab a plate, pour some milk in it, add a few drops of food coloring, and then gently touch the surface with a cotton swab dipped in dish soap. Watch as the colors dance around. This happens because soap reduces the surface tension of the milk, causing the colors to spread and swirl. It's like creating your own mini art piece with science. Next, it's time to get explosive with the classic baking soda volcano. Mix baking soda with vinegar and watch it erupt into a frothy, bubbling mess. The reaction between the baking soda and vinegar produces carbon dioxide gas, which creates the eruption. This is a fun and safe way to mimic the action of a real volcano, without any danger. Ready to send secret messages? Try out the invisible ink experiment. Use lemon juice as ink to write on paper. Once it dries, hold the paper close to a light bulb or a heat source, and your hidden message will magically appear. The heat oxidizes the acid in the lemon juice, turning it brown and revealing your secret. Here's a trick that seems impossible: the balloon skewer experiment. Inflate a balloon and carefully push a skewer through it without popping it. Sounds tricky, right? But if you do it slowly and at the right angle, the balloon stays intact. The key here is to insert the skewer at the points where the rubber is least stretched, making it more flexible. Finally, let's make an egg float. Fill a glass with water and carefully place an egg in it. It sinks, right? Now add salt to the water. Stir until it dissolves and try again. The egg will float this time. This happens because adding salt increases the water's density, making the egg buoyant. And there you have it, 5 mind-blowing science experiments you can easily try at home. Each one teaches you something new about the fascinating world of science. Give them a go, and who knows, you might just discover your next favorite hobby.